In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF on WPS Office in Android and iOS. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the complete process of creating a PDF using the WPS Office mobile app. This walkthrough is designed to be clear, smooth, and easy to follow, making it suitable for both beginners and regular users who want to create professional-looking PDF files directly from their phones. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your Android or iOS device. Once the app is fully loaded, tap on the Create button. This will display different file types that you can generate within the app. From the available options, select PDF to enter the PDF creation section. Inside this section, you will notice several choices. You can create a blank PDF from scratch, convert an existing document into a PDF, turn images into a PDF file, scan physical documents into PDF format, or even save a web page as a PDF. For this demonstration, we will focus on creating a blank PDF, which allows you to start with a fresh blank layout. After selecting the blank PDF option, you will be presented with several layout styles. You may choose a plain page, a lined format, a grid layout, a dotted style, or a graph format. Select the layout that best fits your purpose. Keep in mind that some designs may only be available to pro users. You may also see additional settings such as page size, orientation, background color, and the number of pages. Adjust these settings carefully based on your needs, then proceed once everything is set correctly. When you are finished configuring your PDF, tap the option to move forward and choose where you would like to save the file. Select your preferred storage location. For example, you can save it directly to your phone. After selecting the destination, rename the file so it is easy to identify later. Once you have entered the file name, tap Save, and your new PDF will be created successfully. After saving, you will gain access to various editing tools. These include options for writing with a pen, adding text notes, highlighting content, inserting shapes, placing stamps, underlining text, striking through text, or using the eraser tool. To view the complete list of tools, tap All Tools at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tools marked with a blue hexagon and a white lightning icon require a Pro subscription. While you may be able to explore them, you will not be able to save your file if you use those premium features without upgrading. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.